Here is an easy counting craft that you can have for your kids in no time. I have provided a link in the description box to the free printable. Visit totschooling.com to print your own. Once you print your copy, you can laminate the jars for repeated use. Cut out the cookies and laminate them as well. Mix up the cookies and have your kids figure out which cookie to place on the corresponding number or word. You can use whichever side is necessary depending on the level of your child. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.